I just got the newest Pusheen box, so let's unbox it together. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Angie. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below to join our family. In today's video, we're unboxing the newest Pusheen box. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. So first off, as always, we have to get into the details on the box. You can see here Pusheen's got a little bow on. It's giving pink Christmas, but we'll see. And then of course the feet and the tail. And as always, a major thank you to Culturefly and Pusheen Box for sending me this box to check out. So let's get her open. Oh! I saved it. So here is this month's box. So as always, it comes with a little info card and it tells you all the items that you're going to receive in this box. And the theme for this month is Get Cozy. So it looks like we're going to be getting an oversized sweater, pot holders, a cake serving spatula, a silicone baking mat, a wavy cake stand, a Pusheen vinyl figure, and a mini plush. So the clothing item, the vinyl figure, and the plush, I seem to be the items that you get in every single box. And the only thing that changes in the theme, and then the other items, it just varies. But as a baker, I'm actually pretty excited about this box because this is stuff that I will absolutely use because I literally love baking. And I actually bake all year long, not just during the holidays. But it's all pink, so like I guess, it's giving pink Christmas. So the first thing is this 2-pack of pot holders. This is cute. It looks like you get blue one and you got all the Pusheen in the scarf, sweater weather, cozy weather, winter weather. And then this big one here, it's a snow globe. You can see Pusheen with the Christmas trees, and we're bundled up here. We got on our beanie. Is that a beanie? A hat? And the scarves. The next thing here, because it's jumping out at me, is the mini plush. This is so cute, literally adorable. I love the mini plush every time I'm living for the scarf. Like I said, sweater weather, just too cute. The next thing, this is the cake stand. Now I don't really do cakes a lot. I mean, here and there. It's been a long time since I've done a cake, at least a year, but I could always do a cake. I just never bake cakes. I'm more of a bread, a tart, a cookie. But this is so cute. It's the same thing as the pot holder, but it's the cake stand. And I actually love that it's wavy. It's really, really cute. It's really cute. The next thing we've got here, this is the cake spatula. And it's got Pusheen on here and a Christmas bow. I don't want to take it out yet because I'm not going to use it yet, but pretty reasonable. Looks like it would work like any cake spatula would. Nothing fancy, but still super cute. The next thing we've got is the silicone baking mat. Now this, I'll open this because like I will use this, especially like when I make cookies and stuff. I can use this for sure, so we can go ahead and open this one. This one says, "Let's stay in." You guys see that? Let's stay in. It's got Pusheen cozied up on the bed or the sofa with a nice cup of hot chocolate, perhaps, with a little gingerbread cookie inside. Super duper cute. I absolutely love this, and this will for sure get use out of me. Like, I'll use a silicone baking mat. I'll use a baking mat anytime. The next thing, oh my god, I love the color of this. This is the oversized sweater. It's so simple with the Pusheen face, and it doesn't have anything else going on, but it's so soft. I can already feel how soft it is. And I love the color. I'm obsessed with this color. Wait, this is so nice. All the Pusheen clothes I've gotten have gotten a lot of wear out of me, and I'm about to wear this sweater out. I love a sweater, and I really, really love the color. And the size I have is a small. And the last thing we got, this is the vinyl figure. So it mimics the design on the box. And you got Pusheen here in a little bow. So let's open this up. Oh my god, the material of the bow. So this is the figure, and the bow is like a flocked kind of felty type material. I'm not really sure what to call it. Maybe flocked is the right thing to say. I couldn't say for sure. But this is literally so cute. I have to find a place for this on my desk actually, because I have like a pink, my little area here is pink, and this would just go so perfectly. It's so adorable. I love this. I think this box, I'm not sure if this box beats out the bread box because that theme was just so cute. But this one would probably be a close second. I'm still trying to decide. I don't know, a lot of this stuff, because it's pink too, it's just so cute. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, a big thank you to Culturefly and Pusheen Box for giving me this box to check out. Be sure to check out the link in the description box if you guys are interested in getting your own Pusheen box. And we will see you guys in my next video. Bye!